this is a running outlet. A running outlet is a fitting that is to connect your guttering to the downpipe at the centre run or so. And your gutter lengths will fit right there, and the spigot on the running outlet right here, which is for your downpipe. So the downpipe will slot onto the spigot of the running outlet, something like that. But this one is for the square downpipe because of the way it's shaped, something like that. And then the gutter system, which is for the running outlet, the shape is for the square line guttering. And then you can see at the bottom of the running outlet on this side, you can see the writing. So it's made by Flowplast, and the diameter is 114 millimeters. So basically it's for your square line gutter system. So the square line is 114 millimeters and half round is 112 millimeters. Something like that. So this one is for the square line gutter system, and this is screwed on the wall or the fascia board with the two screw holes. So you got one on that side and the other one on that side, you see. And then you also got removable clips. So the gutter clips can be removed and they can be replaced if they're damaged or worn. And same with the seals, they can be removable, something like that. And then your gutter will just clip right there. And then when you line your guttering up onto the fitting, you have to make sure that it's lined up where that insertion mark is. So the writing that it says insert gutter to here. So basically it's to indicate where you fit the gutter length up to the fitting. So you have to make sure that it doesn't fit beyond that gap or so. So basically when you install gutters you need to have that bit of space, and by lining the edge of the gutter where that insertion line is, so it's to allow for your guttering to expand and contract during the change in temperatures. But if you insert guttering where the stopper is in the fitting, you don't have that room for thermal expansion, which could cause problems over time. So most professionals say that it's important to leave like a bit of space right there. So just have a bit of space from the stopper. So the stopper right there, and yeah, you have to have a bit of space from the stopper so for the guttering to expand and contract. So when it starts to heat up it will like expand like that. When it starts to cool down it will contract like that. So like that. So it's just important of how you install gutter lengths onto gutter fittings or so. So like that. So putting the seal back on. Make sure the seal is lined up so it's not like misaligned. That could be another sign of problems, is that if you're not lining the seal up properly then it will cause problems. Like guttering could leak also over time. And also same with gutter clips, like if you don't replace gutter clips then it will be another problem, something like that. So I'm going to wrap the clip around the fitting. Just make sure that the seal sits perfectly in a fitting. Something like that. And then, yeah. There you go. And this is the running outlet for your but this one is for the 65mm square downpipe system. And the product code for this one, which is ROS1, so it's made by Flowplast. So like that.